Why ISO 50001 is the perfect match for energy efficiency.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
With the increase in the use of energy in every industry for every minute thing, the costs for these energy consumptions also rise the overall costs. This leaves a demand for every industry and organization to optimize their energy efficiency. Governments worldwide are introducing stricter regulations to control energy consumption, and consumers are looking to align with companies committed to sustainability. The ISO 50001, the globally recognized standard for energy management systems, NMS, has become the perfect solution. This international was designed to improve energy efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize the environmental impact of businesses worldwide. In this part of the ISO certifications for project and energy management, we will explore and learn why ISO 50001 is the only perfect standard that is designed for energy efficiency for organizations and businesses of all sizes and industries. Why energy efficiency matters? As discussed in our other article about the best practices for energy efficiency, we also share some insights on the benefits of opting for the ISO 50001 standard. While understanding these benefits, it is clear that getting ISO 50001 certified is the best way to grow business and also earn all the benefits. In simple terms, for any organization of any industry, the most important thing is to match their customers' evolving needs. And one of the needs that customers are more focused on investing in is the environmental impact. People are now more environmentally focused and always seek to invest in environmentally friendly businesses, seeing how they are affecting the planet or how they are trying to save. ISO 50001 has been widely adopted across various industries, from manufacturing and transportation to hospitality and retail. As a globally recognized standard, it has gained a major potential in validating both developed and developing nations, becoming a key component of corporate sustainability strategies worldwide. Energy efficiency plays a very important role in the need to reduce carbon emissions. Lowering greenhouse gas emissions supports sustainability. Governments are changing their regulations related to energy use. These regulations demand the practice of sustainable energy management. How ISO 50001 drives energy efficiency. Energy Management System, NMS. ISO 50001's Energy Management System, NMS, provides a structured and systematic approach to managing energy consumption. Through this framework, organizations can monitor energy usage, implement controls, and continuously improve their energy performance. It offers a clear roadmap for companies to optimize energy use and identify areas for improvement. Continuous improvement. At the heart of ISO 50001 is the Plan to Check Act, PDCA, cycle, which encourages organizations to take a long-term approach to energy management. This cycle promotes continuous improvement, helping businesses stay proactive in their energy efficiency efforts by regularly reviewing and optimizing their processes. Data-driven approach. One of the key strengths of ISO 50001 is its emphasis on data collection and analysis. By gathering real-time data on energy consumption, organizations can make informed decisions to reduce waste and enhance efficiency. This data-driven approach empowers businesses to fine-tune their energy strategies and achieve more substantial savings. Employee engagement. ISO 50001 promotes energy awareness at all organizational levels. By involving employees in energy management practices, businesses can foster a culture of sustainability where every team member contributes to energy-saving efforts. This helps create a more efficient workplace environment. Technology integration. ISO 50001 facilitates the integration of modern energy management technologies such as smart meters, renewable energy sources, and automation systems. By leveraging these technologies, businesses can enhance their ability to monitor energy use, optimize consumption, and implement sustainable solutions.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.